But you gotta chill out a minute.
Synthetic marijuana and bath salts have been in the news a lot over the last few years. Look at this. Mostly because of illegal drug busts and people high on drugs. Yikes. Getting caught on tape acting very erratically like this. Scary stuff. Cavante Smalls was among hundreds of people tonight who learned the impact of those potentially deadly drugs.
It's been a growing problem in the Miami Valley since they first appeared in the area spring of 2011. Synthetic drugs and bath salts are still a thorn in the side to police and doctors.
People, some of them young, some of them not, who would come into an emergency room incoherent, behaving in a way they never behaved before in their lives.
These videos from YouTube shows how the drugs alter the user's state of mind. Since 2010, Montgomery County has documented 52 bath salt cases and 12 synthetic drug cases. But health officials believe that's just a fraction of the drug's overall impact, since not everything gets reported. And often synthetic drugs are used with other drugs like alcohol, which can increase health risk.
The worst things obviously have been the death cases or the cases where people have been driving under the influence of these drugs and it's resulted in their death or the death of innocent people.
The drugs have notoriously been difficult for police to track because of the ever-changing chemical makeup. Ohio Attorney General Mike DeWine has since cracked down on that loophole with tougher drug laws.
We do notice that once a substance or a particular drug is banned, the use goes way down. And that helps us tremendously.
This synthetic drug conference that drew over 400 police, doctors, teachers, and others was meant to educate them about the dangers and reduce the drug's influence in the community. In Dayton, Cavante Smalls, Fox 45 News.
Now, Drug Task Force officials say the drugs are not just abused by teenagers. They've had cases of abusers in their 50s.